welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. As you can see, our title for this video is Cozy Fireplace Scents for Chilly Nights, okay? Do you have fragrances that you love to wear in front of your fireplace? Or maybe it reminds you of a fireplace and it's, cozy and comforting and on chilly nights. Like, as we get further into fall, it gets more chilly, your sweater, and sometimes you need a Netflix and chill type of fragrance. And so this video is for you, and I have fragrances from my collection, and maybe you will enjoy and want to try some of these fragrances. So the first fragrance I have, I think, when I think about fireplace, this fragrance is top on the list, and that is Replicas by the Fireplace. This chestnut, very woody, comforting, cozy fragrance is absolutely perfect if you're looking for a good Netflix and chill. Now, this woody chestnut fragrance, as much as this is also sweet, or it has some sweet tendencies or sweetness in this fragrance because of the vanilla, this is not a blind buy type of fragrance, okay? See if you really vibe with it. I always say this fragrance, I always have to wear with like a turtleneck. That's how cozy this reminds me. But this is exactly what Replica was trying to do, is give you a memory, right? That comes from fireplace or by the fireplace. And that's exactly what this fragrance does. It puts you in the memory or the mindset of being by the fireplace and having a cozy scent. This is perfect if you're looking for that type of scent profile. Next up, another woody, warm, spicy fragrance that has saffron and cinnamon in this. I've talked about this fragrance quite a lot because it's one of my favorite woody fragrances that absolutely reminds me of coziness and by the fireplace with the spice in it, right? It's not so heavy where you just can't enjoy it. I think it is so good that vanilla is an absolute must and is needed in this fragrance. And I am talking about Silky Woods from Goldfield and Banks. Yes, I know it doesn't have this burningness, but the woodiness, the sandalwood, the suede, the oudiness, absolutely and the tobacconess kind of gives me this burning effect, or this by the fireplace kind of cozy scent. It is great. It's perfect on your body. I feel like it just is so cozy. I can see you with a big old snuggle. I can even see you out, if you were on a nice date and there was a fireplace at a restaurant. Yeah, this would be perfect for that type of setup. This is the perfect fragrance for that. I love this down. You can, again, dress it up, dress it down. This is amazing. So if you're looking for something that's cozy and comforting but has this woody frame, absolutely Silky Woods from Goldfield and Banks is a fragrance I would absolutely recommend. Next up, I know this might be a little controversial because it has sesame in this, right? It has coffee, a honey note that's in this. So this might, for some, might not give you cozy by the fireplace, but to me, there is something about this, and maybe it's the vanilla, maybe it is the sesame that's in this, not sure, but there is something in this that really reminds me of cozying up by the fireplace, being delicious smelling by the fireplace, and that is Navitus the Embrace. Yeah, this is very good. Very good if you like a good nutty, creamy fragrance, this is it. But this just gives me that cozy vibe. I don't know what it is about this fragrance. And again, maybe you don't get this, but I feel like this just gives me comfort. And that nuttiness and creaminess also gives me like, it's just delicious, okay? It's just delicious. And who doesn't want to be delicious and fireplace and cozy? I mean, sounds great to me. It sounds like a great combination, right? This is a great scent. I feel like if you were doing like a Netflix and chill type of date, this is very attractive. This is very pleasing. Like I don't think that this would be off-putting. Like I don't. I think you would really like, I don't know about overspraying this. Maybe if you overspray this, maybe it could be teen too much. But because of the nuttiness, the creaminess in this, I don't know. This might be an oversprayer, even if you're doing Netflix and chill. This could give you some comfort and coziness and vibes. And yeah, I adore this. Okay, so I absolutely see this as a cozy fragrance type of scent, fireplace scent, but you let me know. Comment down below. What do you think? Do you have the embrace from Navitus? What are your thoughts? Does it give you coziness? Does it give you that setting? Or do you think that I'm just so far off? Okay. Sound off down below. Let me know your thoughts. Respectful. Moving on. Next up, another fragrance that has rum and cognac and dried apricots and is just delicious, okay? Another delicious, cozy scent. You know, I'm a gourmand girl, so that's how we do around here. But Dulce Diablo from Narcotica, like this is amazing. And this is my fruity or dry fruit apricot vanilla by the fireplace. Like, you know, you don't smell woods and stuff, but I do feel like this is a cozy, comforting scent. I feel like this would be great for Netflix and chill. This is great by the fireplace. This is great for a date night. If you're out by the fireplace, like, this is a really good fragrance. I enjoy this. So if you are into fruits, if you are into booziness, warm, spicy, but not too spicy, more on the fruit side, but it does have a warmness to this. If you are into that type of setting, this would be absolutely perfect. I would absolutely recommend that you try, get your hands, see if you would vibe with it. And last but certainly not least, a Latonic fragrance that has milk and amber and wood in it. This absolutely is to me, a creamier play on a cozy by the fireplace type of scent, but it is absolutely divine. And you can get like, whether you want like a bold or a more less bold if you want the original, and I'm talking about Commodity Milk Plus. Yeah, this is so good. This is, I feel like, a great combination of a creamy milk Latonic fragrance and coziness, wood, comforting. This is so good. I love the Milk Plus. So you can do milk. They have a Milk Plus, this is the bold. I love the bold because it takes it up a notch. It takes it to another level for me that I enjoy, right? Because it even gives me a little sexiness, like not a lot, right? We're not, right? But it gives me a flirtiness. Okay, that's a good word, right? It allows me to flirt, right? Good Netflix and chill. Oh, stop. I'm not doing that. But a little flirt, right? A little flirt never hurt anybody. And so when you're cozy and getting close and maybe holding hands, doing a little kiss a little blah, 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 blah. You know, it definitely gives a little cutesy flirt, okay? So I would highly recommend you get Commodity Milk Plus and see if you vibe with this and see if you kind of get what I get, right? This is definitely cozy, comforting, flirty, and oh so good. Well, that's all, fam, for my cozy fireplace scents for chilly nights, okay? What are some of your picks, or what are some fragrances that you enjoy wearing by the fireplace or for cozy nights, chilly nights, okay? We would love to know. Sound off in the comment section. Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.